Difficult start of the season. What was the reaction of the team after coming back in Italy?
For sure it was not the start that all of us wanted, but this is part of the sport, and this is what we have to accept, and the only thing to do is to react. And I have to say that I found all the people with the right approach in terms of mentality, in terms of work. We know that we have to improve the performance of the car, the reliability, the operations. So everyone has to do his own job and is taking his own responsibility. But what I want to say is really that I see the people in the right spirit, in the right mood to react after these two difficult Grand Prix.
Sunday night in Malaysia, you told that there could have been some developments on the F60. There will be anything new on the car?
Yeah, there will be an update on the aero package that should give us a little bit more in terms of performance, and then this will be used also in Bahrain. Then we will come in Europe, there will be another step. And of course, all depends on what will be the outcome of the appeal, because then it may change the approach on the development of the car depending what will be, for sure, the situation on the, the double-decker diffuser. So for sure it's a big push that we have to do to try to find performance, and the main area is for sure aerodynamics, and this is the area where we are focused our major efforts.
This year the Chinese Grand Prix takes place in a different part of the year, springtime, not autumn as in the past. This will change something in the approach of the race weekend, and what are the main characteristics of the Shanghai circuits?
I think that the only difference is mainly related to the temperature that we will find in Shanghai. Air and asphalt are supposed to be lower in terms of temperature, and this will have an effect above all on the usage of the tires. We know that the track is a peculiar track, there is a very long straight, but there are a lot of corners, high-speed corners, slow-speed corners that makes that track one of the most difficult. And we need to approach this with the right spirit to make sure that all the parameters are well under control. And we have another thing to remember, that China for us is an important market on the commercial side. And so once more, another and a new point that we need to put on our shoulder.